A 41-year-old man from Iowa was arrested outside the White House on Wednesday. The Secret Service says it found a hunting rifle, dozens of rounds of ammunition, and a knife in the trunk of his car. Renae Kapheim faces one charge of having an unregistered firearm. The Secret Service searched his car after he told police that someone in Iowa told him to drive to the White House. The Secret Service has been widely criticized in recent months after a series of security breaches. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.